सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल magic.com, पास वाले बेल आइकन को प्रेस कीजिए लेटेस्ट मैजिक वीडियो सबसे पहले
I've got some pictures of birds. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All the pictures, cards are so made that it can be detached from center. And I can fix it again. Now I am shuffling it. Suppose we detach all the pictures. Now I want to repeat it, but you will select which card will go to which card of this side. So let us do it in this fashion. We'll spell, will the birds match? Finally you will see the birds are matched or not. We'll spell will. We'll spell one word, one letter of this will word, and we'll make one town. So probably this side or this side. This side, W, I, this side or this side, I, L, L here, L here. Now it fits these two. Next, D. This side T, this side or this side? T, here. H, here. E, here. Birds. B, this side or this side? B. I, R, D, S, match, M, A, E, C, H. Now, this to our left. Now we'll see whether it is matched or not. Amazingly, yes.
Very good. Rajat. Magic time
Yes.
is now happening.
The same principle.